Hey guys, what's going on? What's happening? Hope you guys are doing well. So, if it's your first time here, my name is Sarah. Very nice to meet you. Alright, so today we're doing our first video using the Desi X Katie Dose of Color Round 2 collection makeup look, and this is the look I came up with. Basically, a nice, bluish purple, red, some like dark colors here and there, just this gorgeous look right here. So if you're curious how to get this look, very simple, super easy. Just sit tight, don't go anywhere, and we'll get to it. So if you haven't already, of course, click subscribe and tap on that bell. I'm going to go ahead and first start off by putting on my face cream by Mix Easy. And I actually have a code for you guys, which I will link down below in the description box. So go ahead and check that out. But yeah, just going to pop on some Mix Easy face cream. This is actually really good because it's specifically catered towards your skin type needs. It's just an amazing product and it's affordable, and yeah, I just think it's great. So links down below for a discount code. Links down below, so check it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and fill in our brows. And of course, I'm using my current favorite e.l.f. brow pencil. It's just affordable, it's nice, and it does the job. Alright, so I got my brows done. And if you guys notice, maybe like the camera's picking it up or something, but I do have like a couple of glitter on my face from like a previous makeup. So, I mean, would it really be a makeup video if I didn't have at least some glitter on my face? I don't know. Alright, so anyways, there's some glitter on my face, just completely ignore that. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on some eye makeup. So for this video, I'm using the Dose of Color Round 2 FRIENDCATION palette, and just to show you guys a quick glance, and I did do a video talking about this palette, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and I will link that down below, or maybe even put an iCard somewhere if I remember to, but I did do a video on this, and if you haven't seen it, here are the colors right there. Alright, first let's put some primer on my eyes. I'm actually going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my lids. So just like a couple of dabs like that. And then just going to use my brush to blend it out real quickly. Alright, so that's good. Works for me. So diving in as an overall color, I'm going to dive in with the color or shade Basic and just place that all over my lid. The basic shade color just serves as a really nice, really nice base color, if you will. Now I'm diving into the shade Trudeau and placing that on the crease like so. Starting from the outer corner and then lightly placing that almost to the inner corner. Now I'm going to dive into Game Over, which is a black glitter shadow. And I know technically you're not supposed to be putting glitter on your crease, but I'm here to break the rules. It's kind of like that action, if you guys can see what I did. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shadow called A Moment. And we're going to just continue that like black shadow, giving it that like more gradient look. Like so. Just continue that like that. But don't go to the inner corner just yet. Just kind of like leave some space on the inner corner. Now this shadow is really pretty because it has like that blue-purple shift to it. It just depends on how the light hits the eye. And so from one point it looks purple, and at a different angle it looks blue. Just a really pretty color. I'm debating between if I should put on Try Me, which is like a nice, reddish glitter color, or if I should do Dirty Money, which is a golden olive green color. And if you guys hear my boyfriend and my dog both howling, yeah, just ignore that. Let's see, so which color should I use? Which shade should I use, you guys? I think for this, I will go for the Try Me, which is the beautiful red color. Alright, so take that, and then we're just going to finish the look off by filling in the inner corner. And I just want to mention, you guys, this whole time I've been using a brush and not my fingers, and these shimmer shadows are still very pigmented. So I thought that was worth mentioning. I know sometimes certain shimmer shadows like only show up when you use your fingers, and I'm using a dry brush. So dry brush, no finger, no wet brush, and the colors are still coming out pretty stunningly. Is stunningly a word? But yeah, so I figured that was worth mentioning or noting. So yeah, FYI. I'm gonna go back in with the Game Over black shimmer shadow and kind of bring that out a little bit more and towards the inner corner just a tad bit. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner, put on some lashes, foundation, and concealer. If you're curious what I use, for the foundation, I use the Tarte Gel Hybrid Foundation. And I actually mixed it in with the Too Faced, you know, little glitter drop right here. This is specifically called the Sparkling Pina Colada Highlighting Drop. So that's what I use. I mix these two together. And then for my concealer, I just use the good old Shape Tape. This is a drawing formula. I did talk about that in other videos, but you know, I still use it because the coverage is good. Alright, so moving on. Let's see. Let's go ahead and do the bronzer. And we're using everyone's favorite, or at least I think it's everyone's favorite, the Butter Bronzer. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of bronze up the face nicely. Nothing too, you know, crazy. Just putting some color back into my face. For my cheeks, I'm going in with the Milani Rose de Oro. And just going to place that right on my cheeks. Alright, so today for the highlight, we are going to use either, of course, Fuego or Chasing the Sun, because this is a video showcasing the Desi X Katy Round 2 collection. I guess for this one, or for this video, I'm going to use Chasing the Sun. And that is the shade right there. These highlighters are just really gorgeous, especially when you're like out in the sun. And it just kind of hits your face. Oh, it's beautiful. Even when there's like no sunlight, I mean, where I live, the summer is pretty much over and it's like fall now. And I mean, the sun's still out kind of, but once like fall and winter really hits, I still think it's a nice color to use. It's just really pretty and gorgeous, as you guys can tell. Alright, so that's the highlighter we use. The last step is, of course, lips. And we have so many different options to choose from. But today I want to use a velvet liquid, or liquid velvet as she would call it, or they would call it. We have My Main and a Mauve Story. So I'm thinking of using My Main, but yeah, I guess I'll use My Main. And kind of like maybe even mix it in with their lipstick. So let's do My Main and Aftermath together. So here is the Aftermath color. And then just right over that, I'm going to put on the liquid velvet called My Main. Basically focusing that on the center of the lips. Alright, you guys, this is the final and finished look using the Desi X Katy Round 2 Dose of Color collection. Of course, there are many more looks to come because this palette is just basically a palette you can take anywhere on vacation, just this one palette alone, and make multiple looks. So we're definitely going to be doing that. But this is just one look that I came up with. And of course, we have tons of lippies to try out. But here's the lips, the cheeks, the highlighter, all that good stuff. And yeah, so of course, if you like videos like this, you guys, go ahead and click the like button down below. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click subscribe. And watch my latest video somewhere on the screen. I'll pop that up somewhere. And yeah, and follow me on my social platform and be active on all my social medias, including YouTube, by, you know, leaving comments and such like that. That way, you know, it just betters your chances of entering into a giveaway and winning a giveaway, which is coming up very soon. I did give a hint on my IG stories. Anyways, this is the look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I think it came out very nice. Kind of patriotic looking if I don't say so myself, but it's still very pretty. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!